Angle grinder is not the ideal tool to use for doing this, as it's got a rotary action, that disc that turns around. Really, a better tool would be something like a Saturn X machine to get a nice brush finish. But if that's the only tool you have option to you, then you could perhaps use a first step would be a P80, P120 fibre disc, something like the Norton Quantum high performance grain for removing any surface imperfections, scratches, etc. in there. Step 2 would be the Norton Rapid Blend Vortex unitized product. Now this would remove the scratches put into the material by the fibre or flat disc on step 1, and take down the peaks and troughs of the surface condition for ever refining. Step 3 would be something like the 2SF Rapid Blend from Norton as well, which is a softer silicon carbide abrasive and fine grade, again reducing the scratch from the previous Vortex disc. This is a good enough finish, but if you actually wanted to polish after that stage, you could do a step 4, which is the Norton Rapid Polish, which is a felt disc used with a compound. Now here, we really do need to reduce the speed, because this disc is not rated at the maximum speed of the angle grinder, so take it down to about 5,000–6,000 RPM maximum.